One question that we get asked all the time is, how does it work? What's inside? So, inside the ring, we've actually got what's known as recycled liquid metal. It's a natural product. It actually does not wear out. So that's what's working as your counterweight. Now, when you're doing about 100 k's an hour, that can counterweight for about just over 1 kgs, 1 kilo, 1 brick, right? And then that liquid is constantly moving. So as the wheel is spinning, it's constantly balancing not only just the tyre, but it's balancing the wheel and the whole assembly regardless. If you're doing 75 k's an hour, 87 k's an hour, 93, 97, you hit a bump, you go from concrete to bitumen onto corrugated dirt roads. Regardless, if you've got maybe rocks or mud stuck in the tread, it's constantly, that material, that liquid in there is not only counterbalancing just the tyres and the assembly, but it's also balancing that little pebble or that bit of mud that's in the tread until it flicks out and it's gone, and it'll then move to find another part of the tyre as to where she's out of whack. That's where it's not actually growing extra rubber onto your tyre, but that's how it's prolonging the life of your tyre. So one question we get asked on a number of occasions is, how long will the liquid last? It's a natural fluid. It does not actually wear out. It can't freeze and it can't boil. So hence why sitting in here where it's at extreme temperatures on the brakes, she's going to be fine. It's Australian made, Australian owned, it's Atlas, and it's balanced.